snaps, etc. Already we have seen in the last video. This part is snap to grid, orthographic. This part here, this one, update snap, dynamic input, dynamic UCS, polar snap, show grid, snap grid, cursor snaps to grid points, show grid. Here, display creates in model space, orthographic, constraints lines to 90-degree angles, and then polar snap, polar snap, constraints line to other angle increments. Okay. Object snap, object snap, cursor snaps to points on objects, cursor snaps to points on objects, cursor snaps, this one, cursor object snap, cursor snap to points on objects, dynamic UCS shows UCS at all times, dynamic UCS show at UCS at all times, dynamic input, displays input text in space, display input text in space. So related to this one also. Some common commands, some common commands, 2D commands, line, rectangle, circle, polyline, trim, extend, offset, move, mirror, scale, rotate. 3D commands, extrude, union, subtract, 3D rotate. Helpful commands, units, properties, measure, dimension. Command interface, command interface, line L, circle C, rectangle REC, polyline, this one line, okay, circle C, rectangle REC, okay, polyline, then poly and PL, then move M, this one move M, and then scale SC, scale this one, scale, rotate RO here, and then offset O, this one, offset, then mirror, this one, trim TR, mirror MI, trim TR, this one. 3D command, okay. 3D basis, 2D drafting annotation, 3D basic, 3D modeling, Autocad classic, save current as workspace city, customize from here. And then you can change the user interface to 3D basic or modeling if you want to use buttons, or you can use keyboard entries exe, eni, se, extrude, union, subtract. You can change the user interface to 3D basics or modeling if you want to use buttons, or you can use keyboard entries. You can rotate an object about the x or y axis with the 3D rotate command 3R. 3D modeling, extrude, modeling, polysoid, solid, press pull, solid surface, mesh, output express, 3D rotate in 3D view. Units and properties. The units command will let you change the primary units you will be drawing in a properties will let you change just about anything with respect to the selected item. Drawing units type architectural demand degree, the decimal degrees, zero processing, clockwise nothing here. Architecture selected for type, this length. And then insertion scale, units to scale inserted content inches, sample output one one wow, one and a half inches, 2 inches, 0 inches, 3 inches, like this. Less than 45 inches. Lighting, units for specifying the intensity. Lighting, international. Okay, cancel, description, helper, normal, dialog box. Properties will let you change just about anything with respect to the selected item. No selection. General, color, layer, see detail, by color, line type, line type scale, line weight, transparency, thickness, 3D resolution, material, shadow display, plot style bicolor, plot style table, plot tables, plot CTP, plot table attached to model, plot table type color dependent, view color x, y, z, height, weight. Example, miscellaneous, annotation, scale, UCS icon on, UCS icon at the origin, UCS per viewport, UCS name, visual style. These all are under coming to the topic annotations. Here, general, general, 3D resolution, plot style, view, miscellaneous, measure and dimension. The measure option has two important subcommands: distance di, area. Annotate, check spelling. Here, dimension, linear, spelling, check, aligned, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, jogged, ordinate. Measure, distance, radius, angle, area, volume. Okay. And then here cut, copy, paste. A totally home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, express, tools. Under 2D drafting annotation. View ports. In these viewports, under 3D, 2D drafting and anime and annotation. Here under here paper space viewport model space. This is model space viewport paper space ZL viewport geometry miscellaneous standard scale custom layout model layout to region generating model command viewports in layouts help you arrange your drawings into organized sheets at the specified scales. Setting up to print. You can apply a page setup to your layout to make the printing process quicker every time. Page setup manager. Current layout 1 learn about page setup manager. From here click from this click. Page setup, current page setup, layout 1 new modify import selected page setup details device name run plotter run plot size and so on. Page setup layout name here plot style length paper size scale plot area plot offset origin set to printable area x bar x equal to y equal to portable landscape. Okay, inches plot scale unit. More topic to investigate. CAD has lots of options and possibilities. You should explore on your own. Length, weights and types, interface options, complex shapes, 3D modeling, rendering, external references, PI. To download student versions of trials, go to http colon forward slash studentsautodisk.com. You can also find tutorial and help on the website forms or by pressing F1 in CAD. Actually, CAD, once again we will recall, the term CAD is computer aided design applies to a wide range of programs that allow the user to create drawings, plans, and designs electronically. Autocad is one such program, and its main claim to fame is that it is really relatively easy to use. It is very comprehensive in its ability to create 2D and some 3D drawings, and it is very popular. 70% of the CAD users in the world use Autocad. So starting Autocad, you can start Autocad by either double clicking on the program icon on the desktop or by clicking on the program name in the start menu. The program will start and after a minute or so should display a screen similar to the one shown below. The dialog box in the middle will aid you in getting started at either creating a new drawing or continuing your work on a drawing that is not finished. The dialog box in the middle will aid you in getting started at either creating a new drawing